Looking for a side hustle no one's talking about? This one is fun, creative, and could have people paying you to turn them into superheroes. The AI action figure is taking over social media. I am sure if you scroll in social media, you're going to see people showing off these box AI generated image of themselves from your neighbors, from celebrities, turning themselves into toy sized version and showing off their mini me to the world. What can we do with these images? Creative ways and how you can use your AI action images. You can use it as a personalized gift for your friends and family, as a hilarious, one of a kind birthday gifts or holiday gifts. You can use it for custom merch. Use the image and put it on mugs, t-shirt, or even as a cell phone cases. This is truly some really unique, personalized type of thing. Now, this is where it gets exciting. How can you turn this viral trend into a side hustle alongside your 9 to 5 job? This is a simple side hustle with just a few steps. You can be offering personalized action figure images as a service. Think custom gifts. You can start in 20 minutes a personalized service where people send you an image and you turn it into a action figure. All you need is access to an AI image generating tool and you're in business. We're going to be using ChatGPT to create these images, and this is the simple prompt. You're going to upload the image and tell the bot to turn this into an action figure. It's going to give you a list of questions and how you can turn this action figure into some creative type of theme. Let's go to the computer. I did it for the first time. I recorded it, and let me show you how simple this is. So all you're gonna do, he says right here, upload a photo, pick your action figure theme, write the description. He said, I write the description, generate the image. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to upload my image to ChatGPT. You need to have a full image of yourself in order to create this action figure. This picture is like maybe 5 years old, but let's see what we're gonna do. So we upload our picture. Picture I'm using, I was on a cruise ship and I was posing for that picture and see how good. Got it. Thank you for uploading the picture. Now choose your action figure theme. So he wants me to pick a theme here. Okay, I'm going to do the boss lady on vacation. So let's tell him that's what we want. Do you want to keep your current outfit in sandals or upgrade it a little like heels and crown? Okay, update it a little bit because I have on a pair of sandals. Update it with heels. Would you like me to suggest a few mock-up box slogan too? Travel the world in style, boss up and glow up. Okay. Yes. Okay, I did that. Okay, so now we're going to say generate and see what he does here. Okay, of course he loved my style. He loved my choice. ChatGPT is never going to disagree with you. I love it. It always comes from a space of positivity, and that is excellent. Boss lady on vacation action figure con. Let me know if you already have your AI generated action figure already. Are you ready to move to generate the image? Okay, let's hit yes. Here's the final prompt. So it's giving me the prompt, then it's asking me if I'm ready. I'm about to generate it. If you're ready, just say go. So let's say go and see if he comes close to how I look. He's supposed to generate this image in my likeness. So we'll see. As you can see here, we're waiting. So let's just wait on this. Oh, wait a minute now. It's speaking. Okay. It don't look like me, but okay. Oh my goodness. I'm boss lady on vacation, honey. With the passport, some coffee, and a sun. Oh my goodness. I love it. Boss up to glow up. You deserve it. Oh, this is fabulous. I am loving this, guys. You could customize this for people, and people are printing them out, putting them on their wall. People are using them for a variety of different things. So let's go over to Etsy and find some shops that's doing this. And we're going to type in action figure. Look at this. Action figure is 592 search per month. So people are actually searching for this every month. 592 monthly search for these action figures. Look at this here. And people are turning this into a darn business. Okay, so let's click on this one. This person is running an ad. They're running an ad to it. Wow. Okay, so just click on this one. Guys, you could do this. You saw me just simply do this in ChatGPT. My first time doing it. I have never done it before. It's so freaking easy. So, okay, so this is the Mark the Handyman. So this is a picture of him. So they're showing you send them a picture and they turn it into this. Isn't that cool? Even your dog. This is fantastic. Very simple side hustle. A fun side hustle you could do, right? So let's read what this is so cool. This is so cool. How it works. You place your order. Send a full body photo. Standing pose work best. Tell us the name or title to appear on the packaging. Share up to 5 accessories that reflect the vibe. Guitar, coffee, laptop, cowboy hat. Guys, there it is. And they're charging $10. This listing was listed this month. This is a brand new side hustle that people is flooding Etsy with. It's not a lot of people doing it right now. Okay, another one. Look at all of this here. This lady, she's selling it for $12, $8. So basically the same thing. Party guy, he's selling it for $14. Look at it. See, so all these listings were listed this month. So as you can see, guys, action figure, collectible action figure. So people want to see themselves as a action figure or a doll. So there it is, guys. I'm bringing it to you how easy this is. You see, I just created mine right here. Turned myself into a boss lady on vacation. So you can literally do this, create an Etsy page and do some mock-up of your dog, of yourself, and list it, and people will send you image of themselves and you can give them a image of themselves in this action figure type thing. If you're ready to take your new side hustle to the next level, check this video out where I'm showing you how you can open your own Etsy shop and how simple it is so you can start marketing your services. I'll see you in my next video.